Are you looking for state-of-the-art performance with innovative design and durability? Larger knob size and new metallic finish. A more visible display. A durable and elegant tempered glass door. Hygienic and durable stainless steel lifters. The peace of mind of a 10-year warranty. Are you confident you're selecting the right wash setting for your clothes? Select the cycle you want to use. LG's exclusive AIDD weighs your laundry and detects the softness of your fabric. LG's exclusive AIDD automatically selects the optimized washing pattern for each fabric based on deep learning technology. You can wear your favorite clothes longer with 18% more fabric protection. After a long day, have you ever wanted to wear your favorite clothes tomorrow, but didn't have time to wash them? Select a cycle with the TurboWash option. LG's advanced TurboWash 360 uses a 3D multi-nozzle that sprays water in 4 directions, and the inverter pump allows delicate stream control. The multi-nozzle sprays water into every corner of the tub to ensure washing performance. Laundry can be done within 39 minutes. Have you ever accidentally let the laundry pile up? The low vibration control has been enhanced with additional friction dampers, weight balance, and a precise vibration sensor. LG's advanced low vibration technology creates more space inside, so you can now wash more in the same size washer. Would you like your clothes to come out of the washing machine with less wrinkles? Select the cycle you want to use. Press the Wrinkle Care option. After the selected cycle is complete, steam easily penetrates into clothes and reduces wrinkles. Wrinkles are minimized by up to 30% for easier ironing. Would you like to care for your clothes so they are more hygienic and safe for your family? Select the Allergy Care cycle. The heater under the tub increases water temperature. The steam removes 99.9% of allergens. Do you want to know the status of your wash without walking to the washing machine? Access the ThinkU app on your smartphone. Then, control your washer anytime, anywhere. Check energy consumption. And even control your washer with your voice.
Google, how much time remains on the washer cycle?
The washer is on washing cycle and will be done in 30 minutes.